Hey guys, Marvel's Joe here, bringing you a review on the Crayola marker maker. If you haven't seen my video called a quick important message, go watch it. Anyways, this is the Crayola marker maker. It is recommended for ages 8 and up. It comes with this material, and it comes with the color sheet, the pencil, the marker case, and name tag stickers, which let you put the names on your markers. It comes with all this equipment. It only comes with one red, one yellow, one blue, but for Christmas I got a separate pack which came with more items for your Crayola marker maker. Now let me show you how to make a marker. The whole package actually brings 2 of these cases, but since I bought the extra pack, I got 2 more, and I believe this one went with the extra, or not. But anyways, the extra also comes with this. This is the marker maker color mixing guide, which it was called in the first place. I didn't know what it was called, but here it shows you the different colors that you can make. That side is blue, that side is yellow, that side is red, that side is blue, that side is yellow, that side is red. Alright. Here are some of the crayons here are some of the markers that I already made. I only made 3 so far. The first one I made was green, and I called it goo. The next one I made was red. It was supposed to be orange, but it looks kind of red, so I decided to make them both and call it orange. The last one I made was blue, and I called it Sonic since it was blue. Alright, now in the instructions it says to clean these tubes. In the instructions it says to clean these tubes with warm water once you're done, because it does get pretty messy when you're creating them. First you want to take out one of these. Then you want to take out one of the caps, one of the bottom parts, one of these, and one of the points. Once you grab all of those, you can grab 2 of these. First, before you do anything else, you want to make sure you look at the marker mixer color mixing guide and choose which color you want. So let's go with let's go with purple right there, and it is 9-6, so 9 red and 6 blue. The colors that will be needed are the colors that were in that section. It is kind of messy, so you want to be careful. Anyways, it was 9 red, 6 blue. To actually do this is actually the trickiest part. You want to open your lid pretty much. You want to do what the instructions tell you and make it go up to 6. 6 is right between there. You want to be careful because it is hard to do this. Really hard. You want to keep dropping the ink until it measures 6. Once it measures 6, you want to stop pouring ink. Like that. It looks like blood, but it's not. You want to close your lid and put away that color now. You will not be needing it anymore. And I forgot to say, this does not require batteries, which is the best part about this. Now that you have all that red in, it gives you an example. You need to count from the part you just counted up to the part where it needs to be placed. So 6, we didn't put it on 6, we put it on 5. That's because the paint just went down. Okay, so careful to not stain yourself, to get it on yourself. It does kind of stain the ink. Okay, 6. There. Once you have it on 6, you're ready to put in your rule. The example pretty much counts from pretty much what I just said. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 13. So we gotta put it on 13. Pour it in until you make it to 13 with the blue ink. It is tricky, but you'll get used to it. It will get really messy, and you will spill some, and some will be over the lid. But as the instructions say, you can always clean it with warm water. Now that that is clear, you want to grab these, take this, and push it in gently. Then you want all the color to absorb inside of that. You will see as it slowly absorbs inside. I forgot. The first step was that you wanted to grab these 2 items and put in the point for the pencil inside. But that wasn't all for the first step. You also wanted to put it upside down like that inside of here. Okay. Now that your color is absorbed into the pretty much white thing, you want to pick it up back again with these and put it inside of the middle part of the marker. Then you want to grab your bottom part and put it in halfway. Next, you want to grab this and push down. When you push it down, you are going to hear 2 or 3 snaps. You want to make sure you hear those. If you don't, push harder. There. Now all you gotta do is wait until that color absorbs into the point and you're ready to go. P.S. It doesn't take long for the color to absorb. Always, as it said in the instructions, to clean these tubes with warm. To clean these tubes with warm water, as the instructions say. It is actually helpful to do that. You want to check the water and make sure it's warm. Doesn't matter what kind of warm it is, as long as it's warm. Once it is warm, you will be able to clean. It does kind of splatter all over the place, but don't worry, you won't get yelled at. Once you're done washing it, you want to dry as best as possible. Put it down to dry. And here we go back. All the color should be absorbed in your marker now and it's ready for use. But first, the instructions want you to test out the color. What I do, oh gosh. Let's try that again. What I do when I don't have paper to test the color, I usually draw it on the box. And just got it on my finger. See, like, it doesn't seem so purplish, but we'll call it blue. It's a mix of purple and blue. The first, like, you know, purple and blue, prue. Yeah. So we'll call it prue. Next, you want to grab your color name, your marker. Make your pretty much color name. It lets you write the name of your marker. Before you take it off, you want to draw the name. Prue. Put your lid back on. Take off the sticker and put it on. Once you're done, you should have put your name tag on like that, and it should be ready for use. Anything you want to draw. And the boxes and cases do not come like this. You actually need to fold them to build them. And here it tells you markers created by. Oh wait, I put the name of the markers created by random. I thought it was the name of the colors. I thought it was the name of the color. I'm sorry, I got anger issues. Only thing that will keep me calm from anger issues is killing noobs on Black Ops. See ya.